Hello everybody, I am glad you have joined me for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwaliwa Magi. In our previous lesson, we had a look at the first part of the body parts, as we called them, shiamwere. I hope you are practicing. Now we shall focus on the part 2, where we are going to learn about the internal body parts in Kikuyu. Let's get started. The name given for the internal body parts is ciĩga cia thĩinĩ wa mũndũ. Ciĩga cia thĩinĩ wa mũndũ. Remember, ciĩga is the plural for kĩga, which is a part of the body, and thĩinĩ means in. So we are focusing on the ciĩga cia thĩinĩ, the internal body parts. And looking from the very top, inside the skull, we have the brain. The brain in Kikuyu is called hakiri. Hakiri. And the heart is called Ngoro. Ngoro. The throat is known as momero. Momero. The bone marrow is called Tombo. Tombo. The lymph nodes are known as Gai. Gai. The spinal cord is known as Monyiginyigi. Monyiginyigi. One lung is Ihori. Ihori. And a pair is Mahori. Mahori. One kidney is Higo. Higo. And the same goes for both. It still remains Higo. The intestines are known as Mara. Mara. The human liver is called Ini. Ini. And a vein is called mokiha. Mokiha. And the plural is mekiha. Mekiha. One bone is called ihede. Ihede. And when they are many, they are called mahede. Mahede. The pancreas is known as roariogo. Roariogo. While the bile is known as nyogo. Nyogo. The lymph cage is known as baru. Baru. The bladder is known as thoge. Thoge. For the female human anatomy, we have the uterus. The uterus in Kikuyu is known as nyogo ya mwana. Nyogo ya mwana. The umbilical cord is known as rorira. Rorira. The placenta is known as jogu ya mwana. Jogu ya mwana. The private part is known as kĩga gĩa thiri. Kĩga gĩa thiri. In this list also, I have included some components within the human body which are not necessarily a part. These include the blood, which is known as thakame. Thakame. Saliva, known as mata. Mata. Tears, known as maithori. Maithori. The urine is called mathugumo. Mathugumo. While the number 2 is known as kioro. Kioro. The sputum is known as gĩkorora. Gĩkorora. While the pus is known as mahira. Mahira. Mucus is known as kemira. Kemira. While sweat is thithino, thithino. Now, having looked at the internal and external body parts, we are now going to have a look at the diseases, some illnesses, all conditions that affect these body parts. Diseases in Kikuyu are called merimo. Merimo. And when you are generally unwell, you say guthinio ni mwiri. Guthinio ni mwiri. The flu or the common cold is called homa. Homa. Or another name is kehuti. Kehuti. The headache is kureo ni mutwe. Kureo ni mutwe. And depending on what part of the Kikuyu land you're from, some will say kureo or guturo, meaning hurting. Stomachache is kureo neda. Kureo neda. Toothache is kureo ne igego. Kureo ne igego. Kureo ne igego. A tooth cavity is known as kwenjeka igego. Kwenjeka igego. Sore throat is kuura mumero. Kuura mumero. Heartburn is kurugulirwo. Kurugulirwo. If you have nausea, then you say kuura ngoro. Kuura ngoro. And another name for that would be kunyira. Kunyira. Diarrhea is kuharwo. Kuharwo. Whereas throwing up is gutahika. Gutahika. Ulcer, karoda, kada. Karoda, kada. And when the ulcers are many, we say toroda, twada. Toroda, twada. Constipation is kũũmĩrwo nĩ kĩoro. Kũũmĩrwo nĩ kĩoro. The skin infection known as ringworm is gĩthemithũ. Gĩthemithũ. Being itchy is gwĩthũa. Gwĩthũa. Boil is ihoha. Ihoha. If you have been stung by maybe a bee or a wasp, then you'll say kũrathwo. Kũrathwo. When you have somewhere that is swollen, then you say kũimba. Kũimba. Burnt is kũhĩa. Kũhĩa. Dandruff is mũnũko. Mũnũko. And when you have been bitten by, let's say, a snake, you will say kũrũmwo. Kũrũmwo. A splinter is gũthecwo. Gũthecwo. Wound is kĩronda. Kĩronda. A blister is kĩroruha. Kĩroruha. A scald is kuoboka. Kuoboka. Choking is gũitwo. Gũitwo. Pimples goes as thundo. Thundo. Chickenpox is mũthandũkũ. Mũthandũkũ. Measles is gĩthũkũ. Gĩthũkũ. Athlete's foot is kuho. Kuho. Tonsillitis is known as gai. Gai. Diabetes is mulimo wa sukari. Sukari. Muscle pull is konyito negekiha. Konyito negekiha. A side stitch is konyito ne kahaso. Konyito ne kahaso. An ear infection goes as jika. Jika. Epilepsy is kifafa. Kifafa. And when you are anemic, then you say kuura thakame. Kuura thakame. Tetanus is mulimo wa mungaro. Mulimo wa mungaro. Fainting is kwenjeka. Kwenjeka. Mumps is mulimo wa mugai. Mulimo wa mugai. High blood pressure is gutengera thakame. Gutengera thakame. Bleeding is kuura thakame. Kuura thakame. Nose bleeding is konunuha. Konunuha. And death is known as gîkûyû, gîkûyû, or kuhuruka. Kuhuruka. And on that note, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. It is my sincere hope that you can now easily tell your body parts in Kikuyu. Please join me again for yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu, and this time round we are going to focus on the family and much more. From me, it's goodbye.